everyone. Welcome back to Mr. English Learning. I'm Paul.
And I'm Emily. Today we're talking about something very important for English learners.
Yes, how to talk to anyone in English without fear.
Oh, yes. Many people feel nervous when they speak English.
Right. Maybe you worry about mistakes or your accent or that people won't understand you.
But don't worry. We're here to help. Today we'll teach you how to speak with confidence, simple phrases you can use anywhere, and tips to sound more natural in English.
So get ready to listen, repeat, and practice with us.
Let's begin.
Emily, when you first learned another language, did you feel afraid to speak?
Oh, yes, Paul. I felt shy and scared to make mistakes.
Exactly. And that's the same for many English learners. But do you know what helps?
What?
Practice. Speaking often, even if you make mistakes. Because confidence comes from doing.
Yes. And remember, even native speakers make mistakes. Nobody speaks perfectly all the time.
So, today we'll show you some easy conversations you can use in real life, at a cafe, at work, with friends, or when meeting new people. 1. Meeting someone new.
Hi, I'm Emily. What's your name?
I'm Paul. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too. Where are you from?
I'm from Canada. And you?
I'm from England. Do you live here?
Yes, I do. I've lived here for 2 years.
Oh, that's great. Do you like it?
Yes, very much. The people are friendly.
That's a nice thing to say.
And there you go. A simple, confident conversation. 2. Small talk at a cafe. Hi there. How are you today?
I'm good, thanks. How about you?
I'm doing well. Thank you. The weather is beautiful today.
Yes, it's perfect for a cup of coffee.
Exactly. Do you come here often?
Yes, I love this place. The coffee is great.
Nice. I'll try your recommendation next time.
See? Just small talk. Simple, friendly, and easy. 3. At work or school. Hi, Paul. How's your day going?
Pretty good. I just finished a big project.
Oh, that's great. Was it difficult?
A little, but I learned a lot. What about you?
I had a busy morning, but now I'm free. Want to grab lunch later?
Sure, that sounds good. See how easy that was. You don't need difficult words.
Yes, confidence means using simple English clearly, not big or fancy words.
Let's learn some useful words and phrases that can help you sound confident when you speak English.
We'll give you examples too. Repeat after us. 1. Confidence, feeling sure of yourself. I want to speak English with confidence.
Confidence grows with practice.
Don't worry, confidence takes time. 2. Practice, to do something again and again to get better.
Practice speaking every day.
Practice makes progress.
Let's practice together.
3. Mistake, something that is not correct. Don't be afraid of mistakes.
Everyone makes mistakes.
Mistakes help you learn. 4. Conversation, when 2 or more people talk.
I had a nice conversation with my friend.
Conversations help you use new words.
Start a short conversation every day.
5. Polite, being kind and respectful in your words. Always be polite when you speak English.
Please and thank you are polite words.
Politeness makes people like you. 6. Body language, how you move your body when you speak.
Smile and look at people's eyes.
Body language shows confidence.
Stand tall and relax your shoulders.
7. Fluency, speaking smoothly without long pauses. Fluency comes with time.
Don't stop too much when you speak.
Just keep talking. That's fluency. 8. Shy, feeling nervous or quiet.
I was shy when I started learning Spanish.
It's okay to be shy, but keep speaking.
Talking helps your shyness go away.
9. Encourage, to give someone support or confidence. I encourage my students to speak every day.
Let's encourage each other to improve.
Encouragement feels great. 10. Smile, a simple way to show friendliness.
A smile makes people want to talk to you.
Smile even if you feel nervous.
Smiling changes everything. Excellent. Now let's use these words in real-life situations.
Yes, it's time for some mini role plays.
Role play 1. Talking to a stranger at a bus stop. Paul, as himself. Hi, it's a nice day, isn't it?
Emily, as a stranger. Yes, it is. I hope it stays sunny.
Me too. Are you going to work?
No, I'm meeting a friend for lunch.
Oh, nice. Have a great day.
You too. That's an easy, friendly chat. Just smile, say something about the weather, and you're speaking English.
Role play 2. At a party.
Hi, I'm Emily. I don't think we've met before.
Hi, Emily. I'm Paul. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too. Do you know many people here?
Not really. It's my first time here.
Oh, same. Well, let's grab a drink and talk more.
Perfect example. Just be friendly and curious. Role play 3. In an English class. Hi, is this seat free?
Yes, it is. Go ahead and...
Thanks. I'm Paul, by the way.
I'm Emily. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too. Are you new here?
Yes, it's my first class. I'm excited to learn.
And there you go. Another simple, confident conversation.
Now it's your turn to practice. Repeat after us.
I can speak English with confidence.
I'm not afraid of making mistakes.
I practice English every day.
I enjoy talking to people.
I can talk to anyone in English.
Great job. Now answer these questions aloud. It will help your speaking muscles grow stronger. 1. Who do you want to talk to in English? 2. What makes you nervous when speaking? 3. What can you do to feel more confident?
Pause the video and answer.
Here are some simple but powerful tips. Speak every day, even for 5 minutes. 2. Don't worry about mistakes. Just keep talking. 3. Listen to English daily, podcasts, songs, short videos. 4. Use simple sentences. You don't need big grammar. 5. Smile and relax. People will respond kindly. 6. Think in English. Don't translate everything in your head. 7. Celebrate progress. Every word you speak is success.
Yes, confidence is not about perfect English. It's about brave English.
Let's review what we learned today.
First, we talked about why people feel afraid to speak English.
Then we practiced simple, real conversations, meeting people, small talk, and work chats.
We also learned important words and phrases like confidence, practice, polite, and fluency.
And we did role plays and repetition practice to help you speak without fear.
Remember, English is not about being perfect. It's about connecting with people.
That's right. Talk more, smile more, and believe in yourself. You can do it.
Thank you so much for watching today's lesson. Talk to anyone in English without fear.
We hope you learned some new words, useful phrases, and gained confidence.
If you enjoyed this video, please like, subscribe, and share it with your friends.
And don't forget to practice speaking every day.
We'll see you in the next video for more easy English lessons.
Bye, everyone.